Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we're gonna learn the sounds that are made by O and W when they come together. Let's have a look at the first sound, which is ow, ow. Now, let's practice reading the words that have this sound. Flower, flower. She picked a beautiful flower from the field. Owl, owl. The owl hooted softly in the night. Towel, towel. He handed me a towel after washing my hands. Town, town. I live in a small town with friendly people. Crown, crown. The queen's crown was adorned with sparkling crystals. Clown, clown. The clown made everyone laugh with his funny tricks. Brown, brown. He was wearing a brown suit which made him look very elegant. Frown, frown. The boy frowns when he doesn't get what he wants. Now, now. I'm studying for my exams right now. Cow, cow. The cows graze peacefully in the meadow. Now, let's have a look at the second sound, which is O, O, O. For example, glow, glow. The stars glow brightly in the dark sky. Blow, blow. He helps his brother blow balloons for the party. Flow, flow. The water flows smoothly down the river. Grow, grow. Plants need sunlight and water to grow. Throw, throw. The coach taught him how to properly grab and throw the baseball. Tow, tow. The trucker arrived to tow the cars that were parked illegally on the street. Slow, slow. Turtles are known for being slow and steady in their movements. Row, row. There was a row with chairs for the participants to sit on. Mow, mow. He used to mow the lawn and keep it neat and tidy. Bow, bow. The bow on the present was so neatly tied. Crow, crow. The crow perched on the top of the tree. Snow, snow. The trees in the woods were covered with a thick layer of snow. Thank you so much for joining me today and see you soon in another video.